Well, good morning. It's day 17. And we're still here up at the Continental Divide. We're going to drive into Whitehorse, restock, stop at the hot springs that are around there. It's a campground, hook up to electricity, get some laundry done. It's about that time for that too, so things you got to do on the road. Anyways, one last look around here. Overall, it was a pretty quiet night. Just a few trucks going by. But a little cool. Well, we're going to hit the road again, so enjoy the ride.
Look what's ahead, my sweets.
Oh, goody.
Oh wait, that's not for you, is it?
You want to turn around and get a picture? Yeah, let's stop there and get a picture of this. Yeah, it's back.
Let him get ahead of you.
Well, I think this is, well, Teslin. That's right. We're at the village of Teslin today. And we're an overlook for a very long looking metal bridge. And there's a lot of nice, interesting signs around here. Talking about the Delta River, Delta, type of wildlife we'll see in the area. Say hi.
Hi. We're gonna go across that thing.
Yes, we're going across that thing.
Yeah.
She's still very afraid of heights. Not so much being the camera shy wife, but we're still working on that. I believe one of the longest, or longer the longest?
Second longest.
Second longest bridge on the highway. And we get to cross it today on our way to Whitehorse. Beautiful mountain scenery.
Bad word. Man, it's wavy.
Very wavy.
We are at Marsh Lake Dam. We'll be going across that bridge. Just want to take a look. Take a look at the quick look at the dam and stretch out a little bit and then head back on the road real quick. This area doesn't have a big turnaround for large vehicles, so we're back there. So we can use the boat ramp for the turnout area. And even have a nature trail here. Interesting. Hey girls.
I know what else.
Well, good evening, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the pictures and the video of the drive from the Continental Divide here to Whitehorse. We're actually in Takhini Hot Springs Campground and Hostel. It's a nice little campground, fairly quiet here, at least right now, this time of season. We had to get some stuff done here in Whitehorse. We needed to reprovision a few things. Get some laundry done, and get a little bit of repair work done. So, little things you got to do, even in a stick and brick house, you still have to do it. You got to do it in an RV as well. So we're going to be here a couple days, enjoy the hot springs and the warming, soothing goodness of the hot springs. And so we will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.